goodness. Yeah, total, senseless destruction. Total senseless destruction. Look at it.
This is your palace?
This is it, yes.
Hi. This is your office.
This is one of my offices. It's just about to have lunch, so caught me in the act, haven't you?
Yes.
You're the acting president of Somaliland, right?
The acting president, vice president, minister of defense.
It's a lot of portfolios.
They're a big army.
That's how we go about doing things in Africa, we pile them up.
They're a big army in this country.
No, not really. We concentrate on quality rather than quantity over here.
But your country is new, actually. Huh?
Pardon?
Your country is new. It's called Somaliland.
Well, it depends. It depends. What do you mean by new? The first novelette ever written, which we have in writing, is based on this country, on the coast of this country, 5,000 to 7,000 years ago. Written at the time of the pharaohs of ancient Egypt. And if you call 7,000 years a new country, then it's new.
But I mean,
In terms of statehood and
in this terms of
membership
statehood.
of the United Nations.
Do you have membership of the United Nations?
We're going to. Well, this is the Horn of Africa. This is the old Somalia. Well, Somaliland is this, from here to here.
To Djibouti.
To Djibouti, yes. We haven't really set up a new country. We have just re-established an ancient country.
Why is that?
Why is that? Because we don't like them down south too much at the moment. There's been a war in this part of the world for 10 years. The massacres, and the kind of the experience of southern rule isn't very palatable, I must say, to our people. This is the capital city of Hargeisa, the Republic of Somaliland. Yeah. One order.
Do the people know you're the president?
Well, some do, some don't, you see. But it doesn't matter. One can walk freely in our capital without any bodyguards, without anybody carrying a gun. And you know, what more does one want, you know?
Does the world know that the country exists now?
Well, the world can go wherever it wants, you know. We're not, you know, we don't attach too much importance in letting. We know we are here, and we know we have our own government, and we know we're relatively happy. You know, people are busy restarting their lives, going, you know, life is coming back to normal, step by step.
But no recognition yet from the rest of the world?
No recognition, no, not official recognition. We recognize ourselves, you know, we're confident in our statehood, in our country, in the ability of our people to make this a viable kind of scheme.
I've heard that the president is abroad right now.
That's right.
What's he abroad for?
He's lobbying the international community to come and have a look. What a beautiful country we have. And I understand he's having a lot of success. The Security Council of the United Nations apparently has got a session later this month. And they're going to discuss what their attitude towards this beautiful country is going to be.
But you cannot phone with him yet.
Well, we haven't got a telephone system established yet, but we are expecting a telephone kind of satellite system fairly soon.
There's more problems, is there?
Well, we've got some difficulties, but we don't have any problems as such. It's a challenge. Let me put it this way. You see it as a challenge. The other question of international aid, you know, we're not seeking, you know, international aid all that much, to be quite honest with you, because the national attitude towards such matters is one of self-reliance. We have based our national liberation struggle on the basis of self-reliance. The only experience of international aid that we know here is international aid being used to kill off our people. You know, as I was saying earlier on, Siad Barre established what they used to call, you know, Western experts. The Institute of Strategic Studies in London used to describe Siad Barre's army as the strongest black, the strongest army in Black Africa. Now he set that up with Western aid, with Russian aid, and our only experience of international aid is international aid being used for ammunition, for tanks, for petrol, for the ration of the troops of dictators, and international aid being used to kill our people. That's the only experience we have of international aid.